Thinkorswim versus interactive brokers versus Webull. Which is best? So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just jump onto the topic of this video. So let me tell you which one is best for what. So Thinkorswim is best for day traders and options traders, and interactive brokers is best for pro or international and institutional use, and Webull is best for beginners to intermediate traders. And the trading fees of Think or Swim is $0 stocks and ETFs, and for interactive brokers it is $0 stocks light and 0.005 dollar per share for pro, and for Webull it's $0 stocks and ETFs. And the option fees are $0 base plus $0.65 per contract on Think or Swim, and $0 to $0.65 per contract for interactive brokers, and $0 base plus $0.55 per contract for Webull. And for tool and charting, it's the Thinkorswim is elite desktop and mobile, and interactive brokers is advanced and pro grade tools, and Webull has great charts user friendly. And the margin rates are 9.74%, varies by balance for Webull, and 6.83% or $100K dollar, as low as 5.83%, and not less than 12.5% approximately for trade.thinkorswim.com. And for the paper trading, the Thinkorswim has full simulator, and the interactive brokers via TWS and IBKR sim, and Webull has available that paper trading, and crypto trading doesn't work with Thinkorswim, and crypto trading is possible on interactive brokers via Paxos, that's limited, and Webull has built-in 24/7 the crypto trading, and the account types is individual and joint or ERA for the Thinkorswim, and all types including business TFSA or RRSP for interactive brokers, and individual taxable only, mostly for Webulls. And for the international access, unlimited availability for Webull, and 200 plus countries for interactive brokers, and for Think or Swim it's US only for now. And the minimum deposit is $0 on Think or Swim, and $0 per light or $100 for pro in interactivebrokers.com, and Webull minimum deposit is unknown. So the pros should be best in class technical charting and indicators for Thinkorswim, and full featured paper trading simulator, excellent for options and futures, and deep education content for traders. And the cons are higher margin rates, US only, and UI can feel complex for new users. And all these things were for Thinkorswim.com. And for interactive brokers, the pros are lowest fees, professional grade platform, global access to 150 plus markets and 200 plus countries, lowest margin rates in the industry, offers fractional shares, bonds, forex, futures, crypto via Paxos. And the cons are steeper learning curve, customer service can feel robotic, and interface may feel outdated without custom tweaks. And for the Webull, the pros are clean modern interface, mobile and desktop, $0 fees for stocks, ETFs, and options, and supports crypto trading natively, great for swing trading or visual traders. And the cons are no IRAs or joint or business accounts, higher margin interest than IBKR, not ideal for international users, lacks advanced screeners or custom algos. So that's it for this video. I have told everything I know. So see you on the next one.